Hello students, today I am going to give all the short answers. Some questions already I have given you, I think you have written the answers. So whatever given at the back, very short answer type, that I will give you today. And before that, I am telling you all, in the last class I gave you all some questions from the lesson itself to find out the answers and write. And many of you have asked me whether those answers to be written in the A4 size paper or chart paper. Children, this is your homework, just general homework, simple homework. No need to write in A4 paper or in the any other paper. You have to write in the school copy, note copy. And when I'll give you the assignment for your exam, half yearly, then I'll tell you whether to write in the A4 size or chart paper. That I'll tell you. Now, question answers you write in the notebook only. So when the copies will be asked, that time I'll correct. And before that, if school reopens, of course, that time I'll correct. And another homework, children, I have given you that you have to go through the revolt. Patharughat already I have explained, and I told you all the other revolts are similar. Nothing special, that they conducted Rajmahals, British force were sent, British came to know about the Rajmahals, and then the force was sent, and then both the parties, confrontation took place, and British force, they were fully armed, but this Rajmahal, those who came to participate in the Rajmahal, they had only the bamboos, so with that they attack each other. Sometimes they had to retreat, they had to go back, and the rebels, they attacked the rest camp of the British force. So finally all the peasant revolt were suppressed. So that is why, that is the almost similar thing you will get. So you have to just go through it, and when I will give you all the note, then things will be easier for you. And even the same thing, the ethnic tribal revolt, that also you go through, and then many things are not needed also. I'll give you shortly, that time it will be easier for you, but you have to go through. Now I'll give you the short answers, very short answer. Question number 1, you see, after the establishment of the British rule in Assam, how did the system of revenue collection change? That you will get at the beginning. British collected the revenue not in kind but in cash. That you will get in page number 38 and 39. 38, last part, you see, land revenue by means of cash. How did the system of revenue collection change? So you have to write, instead of kind revenue, British collected the revenue in terms of cash money. Then question number 2, in which year did Moffat Mills come to Assam? 1853. In 1853. Then number 3, who were the Kayas? That also you will get in page number 39. The Marwari Mahajans. Instead of Mahajan, you can write the money lenders also. The Marwari money lenders or the Marwari Mahajans were called Kaya. Then who led the revolt of 1857 in Assam? That we all know, Maniram Devan. Number 5, which Ahom prince did the rebels of Assam want to reinstill on the throne in the revolt of 1857? That will be Kandarpeshwar Singha. Kandarpeshwar Singha. Number 6, who was the Bengali Mukhtiar who helped Maniram Devan? That is Madhu Malik. Madhu Malik Then number 7, who was hanged along with Maniram Devan? That is Pioli Barua. Pioli Barua. Then who tried the case of Maniram Devan? Here you will get in page number 43. Page number 43, fourth paragraph, Captain Holroyd. Captain Holroyd, first line you will get. Then mention to causes of the failure of revolt of 1857. So causes of the failure in page number 45. Any point you can pick up. There are 6-7 points, so any point you can pick up. But you have to write shortly. Suppose first point, you can write the number of rebels in Assam was very small. Second point, the leaders of the rebellion failed to understand the importance of time. So for these 2 points you can pick up. Then number 10, in which years were the stamp tax and income tax implemented? Stamp tax that you will get in page number, stamp duties means stamp tax, same thing. Page number 47, rise of peasant revolt in Assam, there the middle part, 1858. That is stamp tax, stamp duties. And then income tax, same. Then number 11, write to causes of pitiable conditions of the peasants of Assam during the British rule. Again you have to come back. Page number 39. That introduction of cash money, and then they had to go to Marwadi and Bengali Mahajans. That point you have to write. Then next point, that the British government did not take any measures for the development of agriculture. That one you will take. These 2 points enough. These 2 points, little shortly you will write. Then, who was Lieutenant Singer? In Fulaguri Dhaba, you will get Lieutenant Singer was Assistant Commissioner, Police Commissioner. Who was sent to suppress the Fulaguri Dhaba, or who was sent to suppress the Rajmal at Fulaguri, and finally killed by the rebels. Then when did Fulaguri Dhaba take place? 1861. Then when did the peasant revolt of Rongia take place? Rangia in 1894. If you can remember, you can write date also, you can write, otherwise no need. (1893), the peasant, they started looting the Rangia Bazaar. That was the starting. That is on 24th December. And then on 8th January 1894, the police arrested 15 of them, 15 peasants, and then negotiated with some and brought few of them towards them. And through them, the British tried to make a favorable condition with the rest of the peasants. So here, when did the peasant revolt of Rangia take place? You can write 24th December 1893. That was just beginning looting the Rangia Bazaar. Okay, but you can take it. Where is Lachima located? At present, Lachima is located at Nalbari. And in a book you will get, it is in the Bajali region that time. When the peasant movement broke out, that time it was within the Bajali region, because it is not very far, only 26 kilometers from this Bajali and Lachima. So now Lachima is in Nalbari district. Then when did the peasant revolt of Lachima take place? It is in 1894. Then peasant, next one is, when did peasant revolt of Patharughat take place? That also is 1894. Then who led the Jaintia revolt in 1861? Yu Kiang Nongba. That you will get in page number 54. Yu Kiang Nongba, in the last paragraph of page number 54 you will get. Then number 19, who led the revolt of ethnic tribe of North Kachar in 1881? That you will get in page number 55. North Kachar revolt, there the last line you will get, first paragraph, North Kachar revolt, last line, Sambudhan Kachari. That will be the answer, Sambudhan Kachari. She led the revolt. Then who punished Tikendajit with a death sentence? You have to write only the British, nothing else. Then in which year was J.W. Quinton murdered? 1891. So children, we'll stop today. On the next class, we'll continue. Okay? You write down the answers in your notebook, or else you can write in the notebook also. And if you don't write in the notebook, you can write on the side. Short one word, 2 words. You can write on the side of the question. But when you have to write more than 1 or 2 sentences, then you have to write in your copy. Okay, we'll stop for today.